Welcome back to the next video. So this video is about how to import your contact list into the list that you created in the previous video. So click on contacts and then click on import contacts from file. We obviously want to import into list A 2017, which is the list that we created. Click next. So once you get to this page, there are various different things that you can do. The first thing is that you want to mark everybody as confirmed. That means all the contacts in that list are confirmed, which means they've confirmed to receive emails, so you don't have to touch anything there. The format, you can either send your people text emails or HTML. I put it on HTML, that way you can send them graphic mailers and text mailers. Yes, overwrite existing contact details. There's no contact details in that list. That list is empty, and even if it wasn't empty, just leave it blank. The autoresponders, basically, if you had a series of follow-up emails prepared, and you want the people added to this list to receive those emails, then you would click this. And I highly recommend that you have autoresponders set up and a series of mailers set up. The headers, what that basically means is that in your contact list that you've created, the top, the column name is the headers. So this is my test contact list that I've created. So I've got first name, email, designation, which basically means their job title, zip code, and then city. And then the field separator basically means that the file needs to be saved in a comma separated value CSV format, and that's usually separated by a comma, so don't worry about that. And then we're going to choose the file. Mine's on my desktop. As you can see, it's saved in a CSV format, so the file that we'll send you if you bought data from us will be in a CSV format. And then as you can see here, first name, you want to map that to first name. Email address, you want to map that to email address. Designation, you want to map that to a job title. We can put their job as in title there. Zip code would be obviously your zip code, and then your city would be city. Now the reason we want to do this and we want to map it is so that if you ever wanted to send emails in a segmented way, like you only wanted to send your email to managers, or you only wanted to send your email to CEOs, then your data is saved correctly in that list, which is quite amazing. So press next and then start importing. It doesn't take too long to import. I've only got 3 contacts. As you can see, the 3 contacts were imported successfully. And you can just, if there are any errors over here, then you just go through the errors and make sure that everything is in order. So if we go back to the contact list and we can view the contact list, you go, list A is what we created, and there are the 3 contact lists that we imported. Now you can also view your contacts in that contact list. So here are the 3 contacts that are sent, that are added and are uploaded, and then you can also view the log. You can view their details. So let's just go through this slowly with you. Here are their details, okay, log event. So you can actually have a little CRM if you wanted to, write some notes about those people. So this platform is very, very interactive and very easy to use. And there are lots of different features. View contact list. So go back to over here. And if you want to add a contact manually, you can add a contact manually. So you can just type in the details, and then save and exit. You can also edit the list, copy the list, and delete the list. So if you wanted to duplicate the list, you can do that as well. That's how you import your database to the list. Very easy to do. And if you've got any questions, you can just contact us on Live Help, and we can walk you through the steps if need be.